NSK iCare, Introduction and Unboxing. iCare is a machine that flushes debris from the handpieces and lubricates them automatically. iCare comes in two different models, the C2 and the C3. The iCare C2 has 2 rotary ports and is recommended for offices using primarily air-driven high speeds. The iCare C3 has 3 rotary ports and is recommended for offices using primarily electric handpieces. For this demonstration, we'll be using the iCare C2. Let's begin. Inside the box, you'll find the operation manual with the Quick Start Guide. Inside the plastic bag, you'll find a plastic bag with several important pieces: 1/4-inch air tube, chuck cleaning nozzle, O-ring set, test burr. It's also called a dummy burr for straight nose cones. Next, you'll find the iCare unit. Tucked away in the larger box is a smaller box with the remaining components. Maintenance oil for iCare with nozzle. Reorder using this part number. AC power cord. Oil absorbent sheet. Reorder using this part number. Mist filter set or sponges. Reorder using this part number. That covers everything inside the box. Now, let's move on to installing your iCare. If you have any further questions, please visit our support site, nsktech-us.com.